Hey, thanks for buying WP Easy Pages. Now, to make your life even easier, we've built 29 more templates, which gives you even more choice and saves you hours of work building pages from scratch. Come on, let me show you around. Okay, so once you get the WP Easy Pages Extra Templates license, simply add your license key in here and then click Update. This will unlock a lot more high converting templates for you to choose from. So you won't have to build out new landing pages from scratch. You will get instant access to JV page templates, funnel sales templates, high converting templates that we've tested on paid traffic campaigns, corporate landing page templates, sales video templates, opt-in form lead magnet templates, member area templates, thank you page templates, upsell templates, and webinar sign-up templates. So once you get the Extra Templates license, you will get instant access to these high converting templates so you won't have to build out new pages from scratch ever again. Now we have a special offer on these for you, so check out the deal below and save yourself loads of time and money building pages from scratch. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you on board.